Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, April 28th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar or the DXY, same difference. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And also make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So, in a ways, the US dollar, what I think is going on here, if we go up to a little bit of a higher time frame, like the 8 hour time frame, in the 8 hour time frame is actually where I would consider that you can see the last five waves really well. So we have almost a perfect five waves down. More than likely, what's going on now is we're making a correction, a pullback to those five waves. So we got our Fibonacci retracement on there. I think that there's a good chance it's going to go up to about the 50% because, that bottom right there potentially could become a top, but it could even go up to like the 61%. If this really is a wave three, then I definitely wouldn't expect it to go much past the 50% or maybe even only to the 38%. So we're definitely going to have to keep an eye out for all the fib levels to see how price reacts. Now, going down to the 1 hour time frame, I still think this looks like a potential wave A. Whether it drops down one more time to grab liquidity, to me, it kind of looks like it possibly could for a wave B, then maybe up for a wave C. I do think there's a very good likelihood this is all just going to be a correction. So, like what I showed you on the 8 hour time frame, maybe up to the 50, 61, or 38% before we actually end up continuing the downtrend. Obviously, this is not all going to happen today. Maybe we'll get a little bit of a push down, grab some liquidity, finish off the wave B, and maybe start a push up for a wave C. But like I always say, anything you see counter trend, we have to assume is nothing more than a pullback within the higher time frame trend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.